our school premises that is called as Bioblitz events. Okay, so some of you have know what is the Bioblitz event, but I'm going to discuss the beginning of the Bioblitz event for your attention for this one. So all are warmly welcome to this event. So as first I'm going to discuss about what is the Bioblitz event. So this is the event. As first I am going to discuss how we are joining this Bioblitz event. This is the Natural Geographic Association. I think you know the Natural Geographic Association. You know the channel Nat Geo channel. So that is the founder of our activity. This is the project. We call it as Schoolyard Scientists. So in our school there are 3 schoolyard scientists and I am the teacher who is planning these events, and Sasi and Taruli who are the students in this schoolyard scientist program. Okay, so now identify what is the biodiversity and what are the features of biodiversity, and in this event we have to identify the animals and plants in our schoolyard. Okay, so mostly we have done a small part of this event, but now we are going to this nature journal with all of you by connecting with us. Okay, so yes, what is the Bioblitz? Bioblitz meaning the event that focuses on finding and identifying as many species as possible as in a specific area or a short time period. Okay? This period may be 1 hour or 24 hours. Okay? We can identify many species from this activity, maybe plants, animals, lichens. Okay? So all of these you can identify and find what are the animals and what are the plants, and you can journal in it. And you can get some idea about those things by sketching this field notebook. So that's why I call you to bring this field notebook, and you can sketch the animals. This is my notebook. You can write this is the type of tree and some butterfly and some bugs. Okay? So this is my nature journaling book. So you can do this activity by yourself today. Okay? So sometimes you may never known about this species, but it's okay. You can write the features of that animal like this way. What is the location and the physical appearance, length, approximately weight, and its texture, location, how that animal is moved, and the behavior also. Okay? I will give some categories to identify and write your things. Okay? So, and I will also show this is another sketching book. This is the Aruni's book. So this is very nice activity. I think you are very talented in environmental journaling. Right? It is very big opportunity for you. Okay? If you have any camera, you can take the figure of these animals and plants without harming them. Okay, got it? You cannot harm or disturb those animals and plants. You can get the natural thing. You can write get the photo and you can upload them in iNaturalist app. Okay? Simply I will discuss about iNaturalist app because you haven't informed. Okay? So iNaturalist means the app which is made for the observation of plants and animals. If you have any camera, get the photos, and at the home you can upload the iNaturalist app that photos. Okay? And from the iNaturalist app you can pick the photos of the animals or species. You can upload that photo and you get the details from that app. So there is many people around in that app, and you can get the suggestion of them and what is the species you have identified, etc. So in this Bioblitz activity, our purpose is identify new species. Sometimes there may be new species that identify not yet. Okay? So you can identify those animals and maybe the animal name your name. Sometimes there will be a new species. So this is the big utility from that, and I warmly, cordially invite you to do this activity. If you have any questions, please ask me with emphasis and clarity too. Okay. So that's it about my definition. So these are our goals. You know, and read this to establish nature hours in our school environment. Yes, that's true. Because you always come and go to the class and study and you play and we'll go again to the out of the school. Okay? So in this activity you can identify vast difference of animals, plants, maybe they are birds, okay? They are habitats. So in this activity we can identify nature lovely people. Another thing, and also we divided you as a groups. Okay. Okay. I groups you into sometimes 8 to 11 here. So I group them, and you can make a group, and one of you have camera that is okay. So observe and capture it. And also the Bioblitz activity theoretical basis is we can identify in species in different groups and they have similar characteristics. So we can the plant and animal diversity. Okay? So from that you can identify and you can divide them as this type of group, all plants, fungi, etc. Okay? So this is the research method. As first you have to look whether what they have animal or plant and observe well, carefully, really take 10 minutes for that and spread what you have noted. It may be pencil or you don't have color, but you can make in the pencils. Okay? And a note what you have observed. Okay? And another thing. So this is about data notification. That's not in now. And you have to take the research of I naturally say that. So let's do this. This is the Bioblitz activity in our school 2024. And this may be again we can do in next year too. So you are the first beginners of Bioblitz activity. This your I think it's your pleasure. Okay. And I will going to give the opportunity to thoroughly how do you spread the plants and animals, because we have very good idea about the spread animals and plants.
Delighted to be here today to share something truly special about art of sketching animals. Actually, firstly you must get a field notebook like this, and you should observe the animal first, and then draw a simple diagram of that animal and write the information as firstly you should write the date that you saw that animal, time and name of the animal. And secondly,
you can note it down because you have many categories to write that is right. So you can write these categories. The first one is date. First one is date and time.
Time, name.
If you know, write the name. That is not important. Okay.
Physical characteristics as color, color patterns, length, height,
weight,
skin texture, locations, movements, behavior, feeding habits, whether the animal is sleep active, social context, whether the animal is alone or living with a group, and
interact mean it is along or interact with any other or same species, you can identify.
as an example, this is a picture of a male garden lizard, and we found this animal in our school here at Bodhiraja in 13th of May. As physical characteristics, this animal's color is light brown color with some black patterns, and there's no color patterns in this lizard, and the length of this lizard is 10 to 12 centimeters. Weight of this lizard is 15 grams, and the skin texture of this lizard is rough, and this lizard have a dry skin with a long pointed tail. We found this animal on a branch of a tree, and when we finding this animal, so that animal is moving, walking using their limbs, and behavior of this animal when we see is he is resting and finding prey. And when we find this animal, this animal is in active mode. So it is better to write down all of this, and I hope you inspire a lot about art and sketching. Thank you.
So now we are going to outside. So the agenda of our event is we are going to discuss our agenda. About 2 hours Bioblitz activity. So this is our agenda. So as the first presentation is finished now. So now I am going to the group. I am going to divide into groups. Okay. So now I am going to name those groups. So the group number 1. So Vinuvara, Omiru, Devaka, Sasdino, Situli, Metuli, Chamuli. Okay. Group number 2, Madhulika, Shinara, Kesali, Nuandi, Hosandu, Anuhas, Manuhar. Group 3, Ashari, Chiran, Vitu, Dimri, Dinuri, Dirosh, Kulita. Group number 4, Madhu, Hashini, Amaya, Group number 5, Sanil, Upeksha, Chatumi, Hinidi, Sasdima, Metuki, Varsha. Group number 6, Vinuka, Induvara, Nuani, Dira, Rai, Saubhagya, Vetula. 7, Sevmi, Timasha, Situndi, Pahanya, Sugat, Siri, Asalam, Heavy. Group number 8, Nanidu, again, Kirundi, Sadish, Met Kiru, Situki, Niuni, Kavisha. Group number 9, Shashini, Gulanjali, Nusara, Dinuka, Senikar, Mini, Sanjana, and Sadijat. Okay. Now you have to go the front side of our schoolyard premises, but don't go towards the pineapple garden. There are Kalanduruwa and Bonga. ඔය කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා කුඩු හදාගෙන ඒවට යන එක damage එකක් නේ. So you can go around this pond area and this in front of the candy. Make the group and you can do your Bioblitz. Now you know what is your group and you can make the group. And is still your Bioblitz activity. We are coming towards you and we are asking some questions. So you have get ready for that because we are only live streaming on YouTube now. So you can get ready for. Okay, and another thing is now I'm going to make group leaders in this activity, and I provide some books related to Bioblitz and the. And you can observe here too. Those two. Group number one, first one, the leader is Simura. Group number two, the leader is Manusha. Group number three, Iro. Group number four, Shanal. Group number five, Samila. Group number five, Upeksha is here? No? Sastima? Where is Sastima? Okay, group number 5. Group number 6? Induvara? Group number 7? Timasha? Group number 8? Sadish? Group number 9? Meaning, Maria. So I provided Ola the voice is cannot change. It's okay. They can handle you. You can observe it and they can handle it. Okay, I know that. So these are the books I am going to provide to each group because we can identify some species they want in this book also. Okay, prepare them and don't harm these books. We have to get more things in these books. Okay. So group number one, leader, who is the group number one leader? Group number two leader, prepare well and identify something from these books also. Group number three, you can share these books also from each group. Group number three, leader, who is the leader? Group number three, Shana. Responsibility of these books. Group number 6, Idwara.